Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Google Chrome if you don't have it on your computer. So first you wanna go to your browser. So I believe if you don't have Google Chrome, you're on Windows 10 and you have Microsft Edge, right? So you wanna not go to Google Chrome since you don't have Google Chrome. You wanna go to Microsft Edge. Then you wanna search for Google Chrome. So you wanna go to the first link, which is Google Chrome. Download the fast, secure browser, and the link should be google.com. If it's another link, you should be careful. So you wanna press this link, and then it's gonna say for Windows 10, 8.1, 8.7, and 64-bit. So we're gonna press download Chrome. Then it's gonna start downloading right above the taskbar. Let me see. So I have it already, so it's gonna start downloading right above the taskbar over here. Once it starts downloading, you wanna go to downloads over here, then go to downloads, then find Google Chrome, the one you just installed. It's right over here, this Chrome setup. You wanna right click and run as administrator, and then the yes or no will show. You wanna just press yes, it's totally safe, and it's gonna start downloading. You just wanna wait, but I have it already, so I don't need to install it. Close, and once you've installed it, you're gonna see it. Once it's installed, you're gonna see it on your desktop. You wanna just double tap it, and Chrome is installed. Now you're gonna you have the options to customize it and stuff. But yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye.